legend born in the golden age of innovation. The 1912 Cadillac Model 30 stands as a beacon of progress, forever changing the course of automotive history. A masterpiece that redefined luxury and engineering. This machine was built not just for transportation, but as a symbol of Cadillac's relentless pursuit of perfection. Before diving into the fascinating details of this groundbreaking automobile, become a part of our ever-growing community, where the most remarkable machines are explored in depth, uncovering their hidden stories and revolutionary impact. Introduced at a time when automobiles were still in their infancy, the Cadillac Model 30 brought an evolution that left the world in awe. The industry had never seen anything like it before, as Cadillac introduced the first-ever electric self-starter, eliminating the dangerous and strenuous hand-cranking method. This single innovation reshaped how cars were built and driven, positioning Cadillac at the forefront of technological advancement. Powered by a robust 286 cubic inch, four-cylinder engine delivering an impressive 40 horsepower for its era, it provided a smooth and reliable driving experience that outperformed many competitors. Over the years, refinements in chassis rigidity, weight distribution, and ride comfort ensured this model's dominance in luxury motoring. Inside the cabin, an extraordinary level of craftsmanship was showcased. Premium leather seats, finely polished wood trim, and brass-accented gauges exuded sophistication, making every journey feel like a first-class experience. The open-top touring body design was not just about aesthetics, but also provided an unparalleled sense of freedom on the road. Even the controls and instrument layout were ahead of their time, proving Cadillac's meticulous attention to driver convenience. Every detail, from the hand-operated throttle to the stylishly crafted steering wheel, was a testament to Cadillac's engineering brilliance. Owning such a historic piece of automotive heritage today is a privilege only a few can afford. Pristine, fully restored examples of the 1912 Cadillac Model 30 have been valued at over $150,000 at classic car auctions, with collectors recognizing its immense historical significance. The combination of innovation, luxury, and prestige has cemented its status as one of the most desirable pre-war automobiles ever built. The legacy of this machine extends beyond its time, inspiring future generations of Cadillac designs. It was never just a car. It was a statement, a declaration that the future had arrived. Would you take the wheel of such a masterpiece? Share your thoughts and join our journey through the most iconic automobiles ever created. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of a community that celebrates the very best of automotive history.